To access your student's report card, progress report, or other reports online, first log in to Skyward Family Access. In the menu at the left, go to Mailings. And on this screen, you will see reports for any of your students. This shows reports for 2 students. Click on the report card, progress report, or any other report you wish to view. And depending on how busy the system is, it could take a few moments to generate the report. When it's done generating, click View Report, and the report will open in a new window. You can click the download or print icons in the top right of this window to download or print the report. If you have further questions about accessing your child's report card, progress reports, or other information in Family Access, please contact your child's campus.